I've got another amazing deal for you guys because GQ just came out with a limited edition fragrance box. And here's the best part. Not only can you get a discount on this box and save a bunch of money off of these fragrances, you also can save even more money if you're an Allure Beauty Box subscriber or if you have the GQ subscription box. So with either one of those, you're going to be able to get an amazing discount and get this entire box for only $79. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings over here, and today I'm going to be opening up a limited edition box from GQ. Now this is a fragrance box, so inside we're supposed to have the best fragrances for 2025. So in theory, this box is catered more towards men. The Allure Beauty team created a box of fragrances specifically for women, and then GQ did the same thing for men. So they have partnered up together where you can actually shop this box on the Allure Beauty Box website, or you can also shop it on the GQ website. So you can actually find it in two places. And as long as you have a subscription to one of those boxes, then you're gonna qualify for the best discount off of this box. So for all of the products that are gonna be included in here, the total retail value is $263. So if you went to the stores, you bought each of these fragrances one by one, that's the amount that you would pay. However, you can buy this box without a subscription at $129, which is a decent savings. It's not terrible, but if you have a subscription to the Allure Beauty Box or the GQ subscription box, you can actually purchase this box for only $79. So to find that deal, you're just going to want to look in the members only shop on either website. I'm going to be posting a link down below for the Allure Beauty Box website and for the GQ website. That way you can find this box in either place depending on if you have one of their subscriptions or not. But it makes more sense to have the subscription. I mean, honestly, you guys can do the math even yourselves if you want to. If you don't want to take my word for it, I will tell you it's the math will math. But the great thing is that you can get the monthly Allure subscription, get that discount, and then get this box for $79, and that savings of $50, it's less than what you would pay for the entire subscription box. So inside of this box, you will have a card that's going to talk about the products that are featured in here. For 2025, they have 5 different brands included for us. And then, like I said, that total retail value is coming out to $263. First up, we're taking a look at the Victory fragrance. So this one is going to be an intense perfume, it says. And this is from the Paco Rabanne brand. I may have mispronounced that, but this looks like it's going to be one of those travel size bottles. Now, this fragrance does not state the notes on it, but it does mention on the card that if you were going to go in and purchase this perfume, it would come in at $39 for this exact size, which is 10 ml of product. So I'm assuming there's going to be a full-size version out there that's probably a lot bigger and a little bit more expensive. But this is an all-glass bottle. So including the cap up here, this is all glass. And then it's just a spritzer. Oh, it's musky. There's also like pepper in there. There's something that's got a little bit of a spice. There's a little bit of a kick, and it's not spiced like cinnamon or nutmeg. It's not that. It's actually like heat. You can tell that little kick that's in there, but it's definitely musky. Yeah, there's a lot of musk. It does smell like a nice man. I'm not gonna lie. Like I could smell this on a guy and it wouldn't, it wouldn't repel me. It's not a terrible scent. I'd be like, oh, okay, yeah, it's decent. It's got a nice clean man scent. Don't you love it? I'm basing my scents off whether or not it would repel me. I don't know if that was the right word or not, but I mean, I gotta be real. Sometimes guys, I don't think they realize it, but they'll put on too much fragrance and then you'll go in for a hug or whatever it is. And it's like, look, I'm a short little girl over here. Like you give me a hug and I'm going to die from your cologne because there's just so much there. So it's important not to smother me. Okay, next item that we have in here is from Commodity. Now, if you guys remember, Commodity is featured in the Allure fragrance box for women. However, the scent on there was gold and it's a great scent. absolutely love it. The one that's featured in the GQ box is the moss scent. Now this one is also going to be the bold version of moss, and you know that by the plus sign, and then they also put it in this bronze color. So this fragrance, I have smelled it before, and it's not my personal favorite, but keep in mind, scent is subjective. So this fragrance is more of like an outdoorsy scent. You're gonna get like a moss scent in there. I mean, go figure, it's called moss and there's a moss scent. But you're also gonna get like a cedar wood. There's a earthiness to this fragrance. They always liken this fragrance to walking in the woods. You're going on a hike and this is what you're gonna smell. So it smells very outdoorsy. It's got the woodsy note in there, but I feel like you can also smell dirt. Like you can smell the ground. So there's a little bit of that green, like grass scent as well in there. So it's a very outdoorsy note. And so I don't think it's terrible, but it's also just not a fragrance for me. But that's always how it goes with these fragrance boxes. They are so subjective, and I can only tell you what I'm getting from them, and then you can kind of go from there if you like it or not. But it's not to say that any fragrance is bad, because we all like different things. So my next box that I have here is literally a box, and it has a magnetic flap. It opens up, looks like this. I just saw on the side here, it says Blue Atlas. So that must be the brand, or is that the perfume name? And then inside, oh, definitely a guy thing. Why do guys love a matte black? And it's all black too. So here's what the bottle looks like. It is a glass bottle, but then it's all painted black. It's a matte black on the front here. Very heavy. It says that it's 3.4 ounces. So this is a full-size product that we have here, 100 ml. It's really heavy though. Like, I feel like the bottle weighs a ton. So this full-size product, if you wanted to purchase it, it retails for $100. So you know what that means, you guys? Because now I get excited about a deal. This just paid for your entire box. So you can go buy this for $100 or get the whole box for $79. That's how you do a limited edition box, you guys. This one is strong and clean. It is crisp, but it is a very strong scent. I'm telling you, just as a recommendation, guys, do one spritz of this. Don't do a whole spritz and then walk into the cloud. Like, it's gonna be too powerful. This is a very strong perfume. I do feel like there might be a sea salt blend in here. Like, it kind of has a little bit of that ocean spray kind of vibe. Wait, that's cranberries, isn't it? No. Like, actually, like the mist from the ocean. You know what I don't know. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of an ocean vibe with this. We also have Ralph Lauren in here. This one is the Polo fragrance that we have, 40 ml. And it is all sealed in the box. Now, I don't know this fragrance, so I am gonna open this one up today. So here's what the bottle looks like. So it's an all glass jar, definitely getting those blue vibes. It's giving me like a baseball vibe just looking at it. And it mentions that this is a refillable glass bottle, and you can actually refill this exclusively from Ralph Lauren as well. So like if you wanted to go on their website, you could just buy the refill and put it in here. This one is definitely, it's not as strong as the last perfume that we just smelled. This one is more of that softer note, so it's not a strong alcohol scent by any means. I am getting a very clean man scent. This is actually reminding me of the Ocean body gel from Bath & Body Works. I don't know why, but that was the first thing that popped in my head when I was smelling this, is it's very similar to that. So it's got like that muskier note, but it also smells like a fresh shaved, clean man. Like I can smell it like he just got out of the shower. It's a good scent. I like it when guys bathe. I mean, who wouldn't like it when a guy's freshly out of the shower? You know what I mean? Like, they smell good. Like, that's a good thing. All right, last item inside of this box then today is this giant box. This one is the Craft and Kin candle. So it is a 12-ounce candle, and it looks like it's going to be mahogany teakwood scented. Gosh, my husband is going to flip out. That is his favorite combination, is mahogany teakwood. So this one, like I said, is a 12-ounce soy wax candle. If you were going to go purchase this one, it comes in at $30 for this candle. I can smell it already. It's exactly that. It smells like teakwood. So I'll go ahead and open this up and definitely look at the jar, but it smells really good. Oh my gosh, and it's even wrapped up in here, you guys. So even wrapped up, I can smell this right now. And so that tells me it's gonna burn really strong, so it will fill a room. It's a glass jar and it is all green, and it looks like we have 2 wicks in here. Great scent though for a candle, because I feel like it's not too strong of a manly scent, but it's still not super feminine. So this is a great candle to compromise on, like with your spouse, because my husband will sometimes love these scents and I'm like, I can't burn that. Like, it smells terrible. And he hates when there's super floral, strong rose scents. So for us, this is one of those candles that we could compromise on. It's perfect for him, smells like a guy candle, but it's not too strong of a scent either that I'm like, yeah, I think this smells great. So that is everything inside of the GQ fragrance box for 2025. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Now, I do have to tell you guys that I feel like the Allure box had more products in it for the same price. So I am a little surprised that this didn't have 1 or 2 more items inside of this box. It's not that any of them were bad, but it just seemed like the Allure box had way more products in there. So there was definitely more products for like the girls inside of that box. Because like I said, they are kind of tailoring this one towards men. The Allure box was tailored a little bit more towards women. And I do think you're still getting a great deal out of this as well. Even though it doesn't have as many items as the other fragrance box, you're still getting a good deal on all of these products. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this box? And again, I'm going to be posting links to 2 different websites depending on what you have for subscriptions. Keep in mind that you can buy this box without a subscription on either website, but it is cheaper if you buy the subscription box and then buy this afterwards. So I'm going to have those listed down below. I also will have discount codes for the subscription boxes. So I'm also going to give you that. So if you want to save some money off that too, you will be stocked up. I'm going to try to get you the best deal possible. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.